Who's first mod? Stop. Show. Come on.
I can't tell him too many secrets. I'm not showing the brand.
Oh, you got to.
eBay, baby.
Drew's first aftermarket purchase for the car.
Always.
Man, you're picking up that Mike G special.
The subtle flexes.
So,
show your engine bay.
No, I like them too. The gold throws me off a little bit, but it works with the whole green and black thing, I guess. So, what's up, guys? So, today we are trying to get the RB20 into Drew's Skyline. Simple as that.
What color would you have gone with other than gold? Come on.
Silver or black? Subtle. But the gold works.
We're going for major flexes, 2019.
I just went out and got hardware for the clutch so we could actually get that on, like we tried to yesterday, but didn't have it. So we're good to go. We have to wait for our homie Eddie to show up because he has our engine hoist right now. Or technically it's his. We just held it down for a really long time. But once Eddie shows up, we'll get the hoist, get it off the stand, clutch on, tranny on, drop it in, and you guys know the drip. But it's a lot easier said than done, huh?
Yes, sir.
What do you think, Ball?
What am I thinking about? What? This thing right here?
I'm hoping the engine's in by the time you get off of work.
Really?
We need the crane. Eddie's not here yet.
All right. Well, depending on when you get that. But honestly, I believe in you. Yeah, as long as you got the hoist by the time I get out of work, then you should be able to do it. But let's see. Right now, you guys have 3 hours and 23 minutes.
I'll be so upset.
3 hours and 23 minutes to get an engine in the car, boys.
Let's make this interesting.
All right, guys, so comes to find out Eddie's not coming down today, so we need an engine crane. And I think that's a good excuse to go buy one because we've needed our own for quite a long time. Sound about right?
Yeah.
So where are we going to go?
Harbor
Freight.
Yo, good luck, boys. You got like probably 3 hours now.
Good thing Harbor Freight's a half hour away.
Yeah, I'll be here to tighten up the freaking train mount later.
Oh no, what are you doing?
Oh my God, I love you. I'm sorry.
Get away from this,
It's an accident. You're the one who pushed me technically, Jimbo.
It's your fault.
Where are we? Tell him, Tucker.
Here you go, Tucker. Hold that for me. Oh, we should swap the Skyline.
420cc. Let's go, boys.
Let's go. Awesome. Thank you, Blaine. Don't forget the bear. Come on, Tuki. Let's hit the road. All right, so now we got the crane. We got to put it all together and then get to work. So let's just do this, make it look easy. All right, it's fully together. This thing's huge. It's literally twice the size of our last one, which is actually pretty damn cool. So that took like way longer to put together than I expected, but thank you, Jizz. Yep. Appreciate the help. But yeah, I guess let's chain up the RB, get on the hoist, and how much time I got? Probably gets out of work in hour and a half. Let's rush. I'm gonna put this in the top 2 worst tie downs I've ever done for an engine, but I mean, it's not going anywhere, hopefully.
It's coming down.
Well, the more engines I put in, the sketchier my strapping gets. It is time for the typical rear main seal, throw-up bearing, pilot bearing, clutch, flywheel, everything, trans, and ready to go in. So always do your throw and pilot. Don't be lazy. That's a Jizzo move to not do your pilot bearing and do your clutch, right?
Big facts.
Yeah, I just leave it in.
Yeah, exactly. See, don't be like Jizzo.
Don't be like Jizzo. Jimmy, explain to the viewers what you're using here.
This is a bearing puller for dirt bikes, I think, right?
This is what we'd like to call a slide hammer, folks. Now demonstrate how the slide hammer is used, Jim.
Sliding, and then hammer. There you go. Some people get salty that we're using a slide hammer on a crank. It's not much pressure, so don't worry about it. But there's many techniques on how to pull this thing out. This just works really well. Good old-fashioned socket technique. Cool, we're seated. Oh my God. This thing doesn't want to come out. This is definitely the original rear main seal. Oh, yeah. Which means this rear main seal is older than all of us. Just crazy to think about. All right, this is probably one of the worst rear main seals I've ever seen. So it's definitely was leaking. Good thing we got the freshie. All right, firewheel's bolted on, and now we gotta torque her up. Okay, one more pass. Okay, she's torqued up. Degrease, yo. Some nice isopropyl. Isopropyl works really well for cleaning glass, right, Drew?
That's it.
That's it. He says.
Throw it in the microwave for like 60 seconds.
Jeez! Alignment tool. Shove it right in there. You finished up early today, huh?
Bam.
Hold it up like at the vowels.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Man, this thing's really yellow. Wish my car was yellow. This thing's cool. Nice. Time for this. After we do what? What do we have to do first? Think about it.
Bell housing bolts.
Nope. What does it do?
Clean it.
Nope.
He's saying clean it. He was whispering. That doesn't count.
Wait, what are you supposed to do? Oh, throw bearing.
Yeah. 2 points for Jizzo.
Yeah.
Right here. Nice. Guys, I threw it in. Got the freshie. The input, the whole input shaft was so dry. Can't believe the clutch fork was even allowing the thing to move. So definitely gonna feel a lot better. So now it is time to officially bolt the trans up to the engine. Thank God. Then we can get it in. So let's just do the whole time lapse thing and get it on. He doesn't want to share. He says, I only sleep with 10s, not 3s.
Oh, he's putting that leg up though.
All right, all the bell housing bolts are in. Everything's all tight. Braces on the bottom. New trans mount is on. Everything's fully freshed, and it's ready to finally go in. Only thing is, we don't have any motor mounts for it, but I did find my old SR motor mounts from my car in last season, so they should be fine. I don't see why they wouldn't work, so we're gonna try these out. And Jip, you up for it?
No.
You guys feeling strong?
I am. Jip
Let's see, son. Ooh. Ooh.
Which way to the bathroom? That way.
So Brian can actually show up at any moment right now.
Alright, be careful, dude. We're
Oh, you guys
fucking ratchet
go.
strap holding this.
All right, come on, boy.
Pull it. Ryan, pull the foot.
We're clear, so.
Pull this way.
Yeah, pull it towards Drew.
This is Jip's first fucking rodeo. He's never been here for one of these. Like when we got
I've done it on Mustang. I've done it on your girl. You didn't mean that.
Come on.
Go down.
Down.
Drop it like it's down.
Yeah,
That's the worst person ever.
I hate when this happens. The jack stands are hitting the crane feet.
And there's training fluid coming out, so.
Well,
hurry
they
up.
use good draining fluid at least. All right, let's.
Izzo, you're the worst camera operator.
I'm usually the crane operator.
Watch the
Yeah,
fire.
all right.
Come forward.
All right, so we have to stick the jack and jack up the trans. Who wants to do that one? Jack her up. Hell yeah! Just come look at this. It's going right in. What are we getting caught on? I hear something getting caught. So we left the drive shaft in, and we're gonna try and slip it into the trans.
Because we're freaking pros.
Yeah. So you could tell it needs to go back like 4 inches, and I think that's because of the drive shaft. So Drew, get to work.
I gotta tighten them. My head's not as big as Jip's Doto brain.
The drive shaft's like this, back of the trans like this. We gotta.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got enough room there, Randall? Probably not.
If
Like
I
that.
yell, that means I'm getting. Oh, pull it a little bit more towards you, baby.
Which
Little
baby?
bit. Oh, now we got our Okay. Now back towards me slow.
Back her up.
Yep. Towards me. Oh. Not too much. Okay. Yeah. Again. Up it low, girl.
Watch your fingers, sweetie.
Oh boy. I'm letting go.
Oh!
James, be careful, James. It's just really scary. It's a lot of pressure.
I think the trans has to go towards you a little bit.
Hold on. Let me just finger this.
All right, we're gonna let Randall do his
Alright,
thing, and we're just gonna.
towards you half an inch. Alright. That was planning. Alright. Now back to. Alright. Don't fuck my finger. Slow.
Sit on it.
Slow.
I'm going so slow.
All right, slower. This is my first time. All right. All right. You went too fast. I told you slow. Spit on it for crying out loud. You didn't even take me to dinner.
Do you want to change positions?
Tucker is on my neck right now. Come.
This is a stupid idea.
All right. Go in. Yep. Just go. Fucking. All right. Eat it. Say my name. Okay. Yeah, that's it. All right. You're in. You did it. All right.
Okay.
Stop it.
Are we in for real?
Check the trans up a little bit.
It hurts. Look at Tucker. Look.
Look at the victory look.
I'm so happy. I don't even care.
Let's go. Alright, so now we get to mounting, which is not a fun part, so we'll catch you guys in a minute. Hell yeah, the engine's in. That actually went in pretty damn easily. I mean, nothing's on the engine, but motor mounts are good to go. Gotta tighten them up, and I'm gonna make Drew put the trans brace on because I don't want to do it. So, Skyline engine's officially in there. Now we could, I'm gonna go eat actually, so we'll talk about it in a little bit. Damn, Jip, you're looking thick, dog. Yo, ooh, let's see sign. Ooh. Sheesh. It's here. We got it in before you got here, bitch.
Yeah, but I worked an hour extra.
It's okay.
So I want to know, was it 3 hours and 27 minutes or what?
No, we got it in before 6 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so you lost.
Why?
Because I normally get out at 5.
You always here at 6.
Well, I'm supposed to get out at 5.
You want to open a box?
What is this?
I don't know.
Well, so okay, are you proud of us? Come on. I went out and bought a crane.
No, I'm not proud of you. This is your job. You're good at this.
Oh my goodness, Brad.
Okay, well,
Shit.
it was a nice challenge, okay?
You did good. You done good.
So we got 2 big ass packages right here. Couldn't even fit in the GTI. I had the two trips, and then we got this little one. Brian's gonna open it. Brian's
From
opening.
Ivan Lizik
Listen.
from Roseville, California.
Oh wow, okay.
Yo, we gotta know. What's up, Jimmy? Didn't come prepared to the post office, but this is some Russian candy for UNB Hall. Love the vids and showing you support from Sacramento, California. I don't have any social media to shout out, but enjoy the chocolate, Ivan. Appreciate it, Ivan. We got a shit ton of Russian candy.
Oh no way.
That's awesome. Try it out. Eat the first thing. Oh, we got the same thing? It looks good.
Weird.
Weird.
Crunchy.
Oh, this one.
Coconut. It's good.
This one looks good.
I like it.
Pronounce this, B.
It's a less American.
Yeah, I don't know the Russian letters. All I can say is Russian candy so far, at least 10 out of 10. That's good.
Pretty good. Thank you, Ivan. 2 big ass ones probably came from the same
We got
person.
big ass boxes here. This one's already half smashed open. What do we got? It's a box in a box. All right, this sounds extremely metallic. It's a freaking shelf.
Hell yeah.
I picked him up.
We got it.
Yay, Steph!
What are you doing to him?
It's a perfect present.
We got a shelf, guys.
It's Christmas.
Jeff, we got something you can handle. You gotta build a shelf.
That is awesome. You know, actually, someone DM'd me a few days ago saying they wanted to send me a shelf, and they sent me a shelf. No, someone. So I'm assuming that one's also a shelf.
This one's a shelf. It sounds just.
It sounds shelfy. Yeah.
We can start a library. I don't know. Jimbo! Hopefully this helps you stay organized. These things can hold some weight too. I know you like to clean, so I got one with wheels so that you can drag around.
Hell yeah.
Keep doing awesome things. DubTub/Louis Gordonier. Gord something? French probably. Alright. Thank you, Louis, for the shelves.
That's sick. Thank you guys. Yeah, as you guys know, we have a bunch of parts and bullshit laying around, and these are perfect size shelves. They're nice and small, so you don't really have to like stack parts behind other parts. That's the best.
We actually use like a similar thing at work. They're a little bit bigger, but every single car gets its own shelf with wheels on it. And you put all the parts on it, and you roll it around, and bam, take it apart, put them on, put it back together. There they go. Take them off the shelf. Out the door. Get it out of here.
Thank you guys so much for the awesome thumbnail today. That's really cool. The candy's awesome, and of course, useful stuff around the shop. You can't beat it. So, thumbnail kicks ass. You putting the brace in?
Trying to.
Do like stunt shit with this.
Yeah, body slam it.
You know, I was just...
Oh my god.
Dude, it works. Just Hollywood. They got the shit down. Cardboard's fine.
I'm pretty impressed.
It's cardboard. Hollywood. I've seen it in the movies.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with today's progress. Before we head out, because it's date night.
Okay.
Let's put the intake manifold on. I want to see what it looks like in the bay.
All right. All right.
Is it clear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. You good there?
I don't know about that.
There you
one,
go.
No.
There's a stud in the middle.
All right. This is hitting.
Yeah, I don't think
Like
it used
fully.
to. Really?
Seems. Well, I think once it's on, it won't. But. Yeah.
No.
Come on, Jimmy.
No.
I might have to loosen this, dude.
Now she just needs a little shimmying.
Wow. Does he?
Give it the shimmy. Give it the shimmy.
Okay, give it the shimmy.
Give it the Jimmy shimmy.
Nope. Let's
right.
loosen. Let's loosen this.
Spin on it.
Very exciting, guys.
Woo! Making lots of progress.
I think I put the engine in wrong.
Just bring it in here sideways or good.
You think it because we got new motor mounts and they're motor mount spacers?
You think that could be the reason?
I think it's 100% the reason, yes.
I think I done figured out this mystery.
Come on, bitch.
Oh! Whoa! That felt good. That felt good for me, and I didn't even do it.
Too bad it has to come back off in a second.
That smile. It felt good for you.
Oh, yeah. All right, aerial view. Okay. Looks good as heck. We just have to redo the intercool piping a little bit.
Yep. True.
So instead of going through here, we now have to go through here. That's easy enough.
Yeah, just drill a big fat ass hole.
Cool. I'm happy. Good progress. It's always a pain in the ass to get all the little stuff on and get it in, but it's in. Drivetrain's fully hooked up once Jay Izzo over here gets the thing bolted up, but I'm happy. You happy?
Yeah, I'm ecstatic.
Yeah.
I see you.
Cool.
We need a power steering pump still.
Yeah, I think Drew's is bad. So.
This shit is locked up. Look at that.
Yeah, it's pretty sketchy.
You
So
spin it.
if anyone has a RB20, RB25, RB26, something or other power steering pump, hook your boys up, please. We're gonna head out now, but Drew's mission right now is to get his interior back together. Sound good?
So hopefully when you get here tomorrow, it'll look better than it does right now.
It's almost there. It's basically together. So with that, we're gonna end it. Show a little bit of quick work today. Really happy, good progress. So there you go. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Brian, you're all the way over.
Have a freaking awesome day, guys!
Harder than broke, I cold started and choke. I grow part with my soul, the vote harder to grow. I know why. Hey, I know why. Hey, yeah, I'm cold hearted and broke. I cold started and